Hello viewers, welcome to FXCTRADEPAD. Efficiency in cost management equals to profit. Your financial advisor. Today we'll be talking about the two best ways to make money online in Nigeria. 2021, the pandemic has really taught us a lot of things, which I think is more beneficial to those people who has the access to internet to make a living through this knowledge that I'm going to bring to you guys today. And this whole topic is going to be based on the foreign exchange market known as the Forex. So I will be showing you guys how to explore the Forex market, and hopefully it will help to boost your financial value and your financial stability. You know, it's all about managing your wealth. You can make millions of dollars every year, but once you are not capable to manage those wealth, that's where the problem comes in. So we are here to help you guys discover these two best ways that you can make money online in Nigeria. Okay, now we have on the board foreign exchange market, which is also known as Forex market. The best thing to do in Forex market is to be a trader or an investor. For you to be a full-time trader, you require a good internet network, a good phone, a good laptop for you to be able to do these things. And before you get to be a full-time trader or a professional trader, you really need to study a lot. You need to do a lot of studies, a lot of analysis, a lot of sleepless nights. You must be ready to read. And every action is executed by you to buy, to sell the currencies. So you have to acquire a very nice knowledge to be able to be a full-time Forex trader, whereby you will need a mentor. You will need somebody who is going to put you on. People like Forex Academy, FXCTRADEPAD. We are going to teach you what you need to know to be a profitable trader in the Forex market. Now, moving down to the next one. The next one, which is investment. Now, talking about investment. Investment is not for everybody. First of all, you need to know that anything investment, you can lose money and you can make money. So that's just the basic thing about investment. So you need to make sure that the money you are putting into this Forex of a thing is a money that when you lose it, is not going to cause any problem for you. You're not going to be bankrupt or anything like that. You still be living fine. So now, talking about the investment, we have two categories of investment when it comes to like Forex trading. PAMM. PAMM stands for percentage allocation money management or percentage allocation management model. Then we have COPYTRADE. So now these are the two types of investment you can make in Forex. When I mean Forex, I mean the foreign exchange market. This is the two investments whereby you can equally invest in the Forex. There is no other things you can do in Forex talking about investment apart from these two things that I'm talking about here. So now, the percentage allocation money management is whereby you need to fund another professional trader. You don't need to trade. You don't need to analyze the market. You don't need to do anything. For people who have no idea about Forex and they don't care to know, or because of the work they are doing, they don't have time to really, you know, do what the full-time traders can do, which is analyzing the market, taking the trade. Maybe you're a businessman and you don't have time to do all this fundamental analysis and take your trade and take your profit or your loss, so you don't really have time. It's like a kind of investment whereby you need to fund another trader to trade, and the person is going to be returning losses and profits to your account in percentage. Now, for a better explanation, it's like you investing $100 on a fund trader, and the fund trader has about $200 on his own account as well. Now your equity and the person's equity, that's the trader's equity, is going to be matched together, and once he's executing trade and he's making profit on his account, will be reflected on your account in percentage. This is for like super businessmen who don't really have time to check whether the person has executed trade, whether he's okay with the profit to close it or something like that. It's just the same thing with this one, but a more advanced one. So now you're giving him your money to fund and you're giving him percentage he will be executing each trade. and when he executes each trade, it's coming back in profit or in loss. So that's why you need to find a very successful trader to invest on. That's what we do here at Fxctradepad. We can equally help you figure out the best people online to fund money to trade for you, and they will return mouth-watering percentage for you that is good. So now, copy trade is that you have to create your trading account, fund it. After funding it, you have to copy someone who is already trading. Once the person executes any trade on his own metaphor, on his own Forex trading account, it equally appears on your own account. So now that person is going to be trading on behalf of you, but he doesn't have access to your trading account. So the only thing there is the connection, which Hotforex will provide these things for you. I will leave a link below the video. You can use that link and sign up to Hotforex. You're going to see these two things that I'm talking about, the copy trade and the PAMM. The whole thing that I'm presenting to you guys today, a lot of people don't know about it. A lot of people have heard about it, but maybe in a wrong way or in a wrong presentation, whereby it makes it look like scam. Forex isn't scam, it's legit. A lot of people are doing it in Nigeria. A lot of people, when I mean a lot of people are doing it, and they've been doing this more than 5 years, and they don't have any real job. This is what they just do: stay at home, trade, invest in people, make money, and withdraw their money to their bank account at ease. So who will see an idea like this and wouldn't like to participate on it? And you know how everything is in Nigeria right now. You need extra source of income, and this can help you earn another money apart from any other thing you do. You can be a teacher, you can be a businessman, and you can equally participate in this thing. But for you to do this investment part, you need a financial advisor like us to help you and guide you into picking the nice people and the nice fund traders that will make at least 10% of whatever you invest with them. So this is where the problem is. Most people don't know how to pick traders to copy. Some people don't know how to pick fund managers to fund their money to trade for them. So that's what we can do for you. We can help you figure out the best, those who are profitable to make your investments with. The full-time Forex trader, we also offer mentorship, whereby you have to pay us for online classes or physical classes. We can even do both for you, whereby you come to our office and we teach you everything you need to know, or you can study online. We host Zoom meetings and Zoom classes, whereby you will be taught how to trade the Forex market and be profitable. So that's what Forex has brought to us, and I hope everybody who watched this particular video is going to take a bold step and dig into this Forex market of a thing. Is reliable when you work with the right people. This COVID-19 has really taught us that doing most physical work isn't what is really gonna help us this time around, because everything is so digital. You can equally even figure out that everything you are doing involves internet right now. So my friend, this is the best thing you can equally go into, and you'll be sure that you're going to see a little profit that is mouth-watering. And remember that investing in these two things that I'm talking about, being a full-time trader, the investment, the copy trade, and the PAMM, is risky. You can equally lose all the whole money. So what you need to do is to message us, your financial advisor. We are going to help you out to show you the people you can copy their trade, and the PAMM account managers that you can equally invest with. It's very legit. Remember that Forex trading in Nigeria is legit. It's no scam. Just that you need to understand how it works and the risk involved as well. And you can visit www.FXCTRADEPAD.com. Follow us on IG, FXCTRADEPAD. Follow us on Twitter, FXCTRADEPAD. Follow us on Facebook, Fxctradepad. You can DM us, ask us any question that you don't understand, and how you can equally work step by step to become a full-time Forex trader, and we are here to help you. Sign out.